Hey everybody, back with another 2007 football box break. I'm gonna do score again, but this one is score regular, not score jumbo, so there won't be any of those blue atomic parallels in these. And you wanna go first?
I'm first.
Okay. I have. You want to go to scissor? You get it just in case, yeah.
Michael Vick. Donovan McNabb. Rex Grossman. Rex,
yeah.
Tatum Bell. Dwight Smith. Brandon Seiler.
Oh, rookie, okay. It almost looks like there's a printing mark. I think it's part of the card, though.
And Derek Hagan.
Derek Hagan, yep. And that is a glossy one. Okay. Pack number 2. Matt Schaub. Reggie Bush. Julius Jones. Brian Westbrook. Lawyer Milloy. And Isaiah Stanback rookie. John Kitna glossy.
Aaron Rouse.
Yeah, Aaron.
Javon.
Oh, it's a rookie. Odd.
Walker.
Okay, yeah.
Reggie Williams. Dante Hall. Alex
Smith, and it's a scorecard parallel, numbered to 750.
Marshawn Lynch.
Yay! Marshawn Lynch rookie. All right.
Itaika Lama Francis.
Ika. And that is a rookie, but it's a glossy rookie. Ika.
Itaika.
I have. Okay. Adam Vinatieri. Keith Bullock. Sammy Parker. Thomas Howard. Thomas Clayton, rookie. Amobi Okoye, rookie. Chike, Okafor, glossy.
This one was good. No. Shane Graham.
Okay.
James Farrier. Here.
Yeah.
Randy McMichael. Lofata Tupu. Hot rookie. Calvin Johnson.
All right. Can't remember if I needed that one for this set, but still good.
Antonio Pittman.
Rookie.
And Terrence Copper.
Glossy. Oh yeah, that's right. Todd Heap. Matt Hasselbeck. You like this guy? Dante Culpepper. Ooh!
Peterson?
Yes!
Really?
Roosevelt Colvin. Hot rookie, Adrian Peterson. Ooh! Yay! Patrick Willis, rookie. Tony Gonzalez, glossy. Hey, good job.
Good job, yeah. Deshaun Foster. Cornell Cadillac Williams. Terrell Owens.
Mm-hmm.
LJ Smith.
Go ahead.
Sean Alexander.
Oh, Gold Zone, Sean Alexander. Right. Numbered to 600. Okay.
Sydney Rice.
Oh, that's good. Sydney Rice, rookie.
Brandon Jacobs.
Jacobs. Excuse me. Will Smith. Not the one that was on the Fresh Prince. Neil Rackers. Sonoris Moss. Lamar Marshall. Terry Glenn Gold Zone. Numbered to 600. Robert Meacham, rookie. Santana Moss, glossy. Good job.
Josh Gaddis, rookie.
Okay.
Dwight Freeney.
Mm-hmm.
Kyle Vanden Bosch. Jared Allen. Philip Rivers.
Mm-hmm.
Andre Allison.
Strange spelling. That was a rookie.
Sean Jones. Jones.
Mm-hmm. Glossy. Excuse me.
John.
Dewan maybe? Woods, rookie. Zach DeOssie, rookie. Courtney Anderson. Nate Kading. Oh, geez, this pack was full of rookies. Tank Tyler, rookie. LaRon Landry, rookie. And Ben Roethlisberger. Glossy. 4 rookies in that pack. Good job.
Bunny Holiday.
Mm-hmm.
Thomas Jones.
Not to be confused with the singer.
Braylon Edwards. Trevor Price. Aman Green.
Mm-hmm.
Steve Smith.
Rookie.
And Fred Taylor.
Glossy. All right. Steve McNair. Justin Smith. Santonio Holmes. Torrey Holt. Darryl Jackson. Jason Hill, rookie. Chris Hope, glossy.
Bernard Berrien. Vernon Morency.
Yeah.
Carlos Dansby.
Okay.
David Tyree. Frank Gore.
And it's an insert. Oh, it's a glossy insert. Franchise. Okay.
Troy Smith.
Rookie.
And Larry Fitzgerald.
Also glossy. All right. What? It's my turn. Oh. Okay. Mike Furry. Chester Taylor. Jarius Norwood. Devery Henderson. Tony Romo. Leon Hall, rookie. and Tony Romo. Glossy. Ika Ika. Ika Ika.
Roy Hall,
Rookie.
Fred Bennett,
Rookie.
Joe Staley,
Rookie. What the hell? Not that I'm complaining.
Matt Jones,
Mm-hmm.
Travis Henry,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Lorenzo Booker,
Booker. Booker.
Carson Palm.
Palmer. Glossy. Mm-hmm. I think this is about halfway through the box now. What the? Jamali? Cornelius, rookie. Cato June. Bo Scaife. Eddie Kennison. Justin Smith scorecard numbered to 750. Oh, over here, okay. Gaines Adams rookie. Chad Johnson glossy. We could start a new pile now.
Asante Samuel,
Mm-hmm.
Derek Mason, Landon Johnson,
Mm-hmm.
Troy Polamalu,
Mm-hmm.
Sean Alexander,
And it's a franchise insert.
Trent Edwards,
Rookie.
John Beeson,
Beeson. Also rookie, and that one is glossy. Only one Peterson so far.
better than nothing.
Yes, that is true. Okay. Marty Booker.
Okay.
Adelius Thomas. Beetle. Peyton Manning. Nate Clements. LaDainian Tomlinson franchise insert. Paul Williams rookie. And Bob Sanders glossy.
Marion Barber III,
Mm-hmm.
Lance Briggs, Greg Jennings, Warwick Dunn, Chris Draft,
What an odd name.
Jared Zabrowski,
Oh, that's a normal name. Rookie.
Matt Hasselbeck.
And that one is glossy. London Fletcher. Ernie Sims. You like this guy. Jim Kleinsasser. Jake. Oh, you won't like this one. I'm not even going to say his name.
Delhomme.
No. Delhomme. Jeff Garcia. Levi Brown, rookie, and Terrence Copper, glossy. Delhomme.
Delhomme.
Like Gollum. Delhomme.
Vincent Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
Eric Wright.
Rookie.
Eric Weddle.
Weddle?
Weddle?
Yes. Yeah, rookie.
Reggie Ball.
Also a rookie.
Hot rookie. Ted Ginn.
Ginn.
Calvin Johnson.
Yay! Calvin Johnson rookie.
Chris Hope.
Glossy. I think there was only one card that wasn't a rookie in that pack.
Mm-hmm. That was a rookie. That was or wasn't?
Was not.
Oh.
All the other ones. Oh, right. Okay, so 2. I forgot about that one. Ika. Ika Alama Francis, rookie. Alonzo Coleman, rookie. Bob Sanders, Chris Hope. Marshawn Lynch, hot rookie. I don't think I should. The Ted Ginn, hot rookie. Okay, Anthony Gonzalez, rookie, and Brian Thomas, glossy. Yay!
Jérôme Matisse. Jerome Mathis.
Mm-hmm.
Arnaz
me.
Battle.
Yeah.
Lee Evans. Charlie Fry.
Mm-hmm.
Cedric Wilson.
Cedric, probably.
Courtney Taylor.
Rookie.
And Sean Taylor.
Glossy. What the hell? This one has all scratches on it. Joe Klumpenstein. Or Stein. Julian Peterson. Jason Taylor. Chad Pennington. Ray Lewis. Kenny Irons, rookie. Tim Shaw, rookie, glossy, and it's all scratched up for whatever reason.
Oh, yeah.
And on the front, too. Ika.
Cedric Benson.
Mm-hmm.
Brian
Calhoun.
Antoine Winfield. Steve Smith.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Reggie Bush.
It's a gold zone parallel of the franchise insert, so it's numbered to 600.
Jamarcus Russell.
Jamarcus Russell, rookie.
Todd Heap.
Glossy. What about Led Joseph?
Yeah, that's you.
No, I mean a boy named Terry Glenn, Reggie Brown, Muhsin Muhammad, Charles Grant, Adrian Wilson, Zach Miller, rookie, Keith Brooking, glossy.
Mercedes Lewis.
Yeah, I guess so. Maybe Mercedes.
Rod Smith.
Mm-hmm.
Brody Croyle. Lorenzo Neal. Byron Leftwich.
Mm-hmm.
Joe Thomas.
Rookie.
Bob Sanders.
Glossy. And I think we already had a glossy of him somewhere. Yeah. 2 Bob Sanders glossies. Alright. Only a few more left. Tony Gonzalez. Kirk Morrison. Gerard Rabb, rookie. Tim Shaw, rookie. Derek Burgess, scorecard, numbered to 750. David Clowney, rookie. And Tom Brady, glossy.
Will Witherspoon. Mark Strong.
Mac.
Oh, Mac, sorry. Zach Thomas. Lavernius Coles.
Lavernius.
Lavernius.
Yeah, it does look like the way you said it, though.
Bart Scott. John Beck.
Rookie.
Brandon Jacobs.
Glossy. And I feel like we had one of him, too.
Yeah, I think so. Because I missaid his word, his name.
Yeah. No, yeah, I think you had it right the first time. But you said it again. Weird. Come on, couldn't have been 2 Adrian Peterson glossies? It's never enough for me.
Maybe in this pack.
Maybe. Ruben Drones. Ronnie Brown. Ty Warren. Willis McGahee. Tory James. Craig Buster. Davis, rookie. And another scratched card. Gerard Rabb, glossy, and it's scratched again.
But you're gonna say Gerard Depardieu.
No. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, this is Gerard with a J. Gerard.
Gerard
De.
Depardieu.
Oop-a-doo. Oh,
Joey Galloway. Jason Witten. Hank Baskett. Desmond Clark. Donald Driver. Darius Walker.
Rookie.
And Teddy Bruschi.
Yep. Glossy.
Some more.
Yep. Antonio Pierce. Liddell Betts. Corey Redding. Troy Williamson. Frank Gore franchise, this time not glossy. Ted Ginn, rookie. Aaron Rodgers, glossy.
Oh no, there are more.
Oh, 4 more. Yay! It's a never-ending box.
It's the Danae's box.
The what?
Danae's?
I don't know. What's that?
It's a Greek allegory.
Ah, okay.
The barrel with no bottom.
With no bottom. I don't know it.
Roydell Williams.
Roydell.
Roydell.
Strange name.
Kawika.
Yeah, I guess so. Kawika.
Ladanian Tomlinson. It's still the box of
strange names.
Lamar Woodley.
Rookie.
Oh, normal. Victor Biamiri.
Normal? That's normal.
Normal first name.
Rookie.
Brady Quinn.
Rookie.
Alonzo Coleman.
Glossy rookie. Okay. Third to last pack. I guess we weren't quite halfway through before. John Beeson, rookie. Fred Taylor. Michael Akwo, rookie. John Abate, rookie. Earl Everett, rookie. Mike Walker.
Like his gloves.
Yeah. rookie, and Anthony A-Train Thomas, glossy.
Travis Wilson,
Mm-hmm.
Andre Johnson,
Mm-hmm.
Frank Gore, Demetrius William,
Mm.
correct?
I'm just laughing at his
Oh.
name.
Brett Favre,
Mm.
Favre,
Yep. Franchise.
Brian Leonard,
Leonard. Yeah. Rookie.
Larry Fitzgerald.
Glossy.
Last one.
Okay, last pack.
Oh no. You had this one before without me doing it.
That's true. Heath Miller, Isaac Bruce, Nate Burleson, Derek Hagan, Teddy Bruschi, Greg Olson rookie, and Kirk Morrison glossy. So that be it. Did we have a Kirk Morrison? I feel like no.
I don't remember.
I just remember the name. Okay, so that's it. We got a few inserts, a few numbered cards, one Adrian Peterson, a couple of Calvin Johnsons, a couple of Marshawn Lynch's, and we'll see you next time.